You've been chasing money your whole life, but what if I told you you've never truly understood what it is? Money isn't just paper, it's power. And if you don't understand it, you'll never control it. Most people think money is something you earn, save, or spend. But here's the truth. Money is belief. It's trust. It's a system designed to move value and influence behavior. From ancient bartering to digital crypto, money has evolved, but our understanding hasn't. In the US, the dollar isn't backed by gold. It's backed by confidence in the government and economy. That's why inflation, interest rates, and debt matter. They shape how valuable your money really is. Money is created by banks, multiplied by debt, and moved by emotion. The rich don't just earn, they understand. They use money as a tool to buy time, freedom, and opportunity. Here's how the system works. Banks lend money they don't physically have. You borrow it, pay interest, and create more money through debt. Governments print money to stimulate economies, but that causes inflation. So while you're working 9 to 5, the system is working 24/7. And if you don't learn how it works, you'll always be working for it. Think about it. Every decision you make, where you live, what you eat, how you spend your time, is shaped by money. Yet schools don't teach you how it works. You learn how to earn it, maybe how to save it, but not how to master it. And that's why most people stay stuck. Money isn't evil, it's energy, it's power, and it's neutral until you decide how to use it. Financial literacy isn't just for investors, it's for everyone, because money affects your relationships, your health, your freedom, and your future. Here's the truth. You don't need to be rich to think like the wealthy. You need to understand how money flows, how to protect it, and how to grow it. You need to stop trading time for money and start trading ideas for value. Financial freedom isn't about having millions. It's about having options, and options come from knowledge. So if you're ready to stop surviving and start thriving, hit that subscribe button, because this channel is your shortcut to mastering money in the modern economy. Let's rewrite your money story starting today.